Making a customer tax exempt in DecoNetwork is extremely easy. Simply go into the customer profile, click Edit Account Details, and check the box Customers Tax Exempt. It's really that simple. You can do this same exact thing by going into a company, editing the account details, clicking Customers are tax exempt. One more thing to keep in mind. You can actually go into a store and make it so that all customers by default are tax exempt. So if we come in here, administration, tax settings, store is tax exempt. If you have any questions on how to make a customer, company, or a store tax exempt or anything else related to DecoNetwork, simply click on the question mark at the top of the page and you can use DecoNetwork's robust services to help yourself or contact client services by raising a support ticket. They are there to help you whenever you need it. Hopefully this video was helpful and thank you for watching.